Sa mundong puno ng pagsubok, ang pagiging handa at mahinahong pag-iisip ay susi sa kaligtasan. Paano kaya ito makikita ng mga batang insekto dito sa palabas? Inihahandog ng Children's Theater 2 sa patnubay at gabay nila Jay Cortez, Mika O'Hara at Iya Oliva ang Hawak Mo ang Trip.
Habang mahimbing na natutulog ang mga tao sa mundong ibabaw, magiliw na naglalaro ang mga batang kuliglig sa gitna ng kagubatan.
Handa na kayo! Handa! Handa! Welcome to Center Point! Kami ang inyong tour guide! Pista! Pista! Prepare! Prepare! Ang sarili at ang mga gamit para ligtas at masaya. Stop! Stop! Think! Think! Think about what is safe to do. Observe! Observe! Observe ang surroundings para makita ang iwasan ang sila. Last but not the least, plan. Plan! Plan your next step. Yan ang pista! Pista! Pangalawa, huwag kayong lalayo at make sure laging kasama ang grupo. Aba! Siyempre po! Pangatlo, group yourselves into two. Yeah! Yan ang body system. Ang palaging kasama niyo sa field trips. Kaya mga bata, lagi mo tatandaan, isa ko na. Lagi mo system, kasama lang. Lagi mo tatandaan, isa ko na. Sabi ni Daddy, prepare ko na sa bag mo, pero nakalimutan ko. Iniwan ko rin yung file ko sa bahay. Ang laki kasi. Makabasa tayo! Pwede ba, share? Sige! Tara! I need to be there. Ang mga natin na tayo, kung maulan man umaraw. This is my continue to feel sick. Pwede ba tayo maglaro? Sige! Basta, huwag kalimutan ang pilit namin. Peace up! Huwag lalayo at laging body system! Laro na tayo! Sige! Tara na! Bumalik na tayo! Nag-tornate pa siya si Cross. Wait lang, isa pa! Seriously? Tipak mo! Kaya! Andyan na sila! Turay! Naligtas po kami dahil sa inulan ninyo. Sorry po, di kami nakinig. Okay lang yan, basta safe kayo. Sabi na sila kayo. Siyempre! Bago tayo pumunta sa bus, meron ba kayong natutunan sa experience natin ngayon? I learned today that we should always be alert and stay prepared. And I thank my parents for accepting me for who I am and for preparing me for a better future.
I learned today that we should always listen to our parents and teachers no matter the cost. And I would like to thank my family for always encouraging me and being there for me.
I learned that I always be ready and listen to my parents, and I thank my whole family for this.
I learned that these stuff can save lives in one and to me. And I would like to thank my parents for pursuing my dreams.
I learned that we should always listen to the people older than us or who have more experience like our parents. And I thank them for always supporting me and always reminding me to do things early so that I am always prepared.
I learned that we should always be ready, and I thank my parents for helping me.
I learned that you should always be alert, and I thank my parents for making me alert of what I'm doing.
I learned that we should always be on time on events that we need to attend to, and I want to thank my whole family for making me independent and responsible and helping me get into PETA.
I learned that I should always be kind and be disciplined, and I thank my whole family because of it. I learned that being prepared can also help me do well in my studies, and I would like to thank my parents for encouraging me to pursue it. I learned to always listen to our tour guide so we can be safe, and I thank my parents for always taking care of me.
I learned that I should always look out for those around me, and I thank my parents for teaching me to be independent, brave, and strong.
I learned that being prepared, staying kind, and keeping myself calm helps me to overcome any situation that comes in my way. And I thank my whole family, friends, and teachers for giving me support. Thank you.
I learned that I should always be mindful and aware of my surroundings, and being prepared. And I would like to thank my parents and my whole family for always reminding me that. I learned that studying hard can make me become a better person and smarter when facing challenges. I thank my dad for teaching me what I need to know. Thank you to my family for reminding me to be a bigger person every day, and I love them. Thank you.
I learned that when I'm prepared, I know what to do in any kind of situation, and I thank my entire family for always supporting my dreams and teaching me what is right and what is wrong.
once again, CP2!